keto. Eat this. Make it this Thanksgiving holiday. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another class in session episode of Bobby Boy Living. Today we're making Bobby's Blueberry Bake, and then we're also gonna make a fun little libation for the fall season, which is a Cranberry Margarita. So we're gonna just be fappy. You know what they say, fappy, fat and happy, period. Oh. First things first, set your oven to 350 degrees for shits and gigs. Spray your baking dish. Woo! I love how it smells. It smells like vanilla, although it says no artificial flavors. Tell me about it. I need a spoon. Now you start taking out your biscuits, honey. Oh, honey, you baked.
Oh, honey, you baked.
Ugh. Oh yeah, come to daddy. Did I tell you that I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year? Why did I do that to myself? I host it every year, and every year people are like, I'll bring the cranberry sauce. That takes 5 minutes. Why do I do this to myself? Why? So just place these in your dish. You just want them to be friends. You want them to all touch each other. So it looks like that. It's time for your frosting. Has anybody ever deep fried a turkey?
Strange that I have not.
I'm thinking of doing it. Comment below if you have. And if you also have any videos of when it went wrong, can you also send them to me in my DMs? Thank you. Let's just be honest. Gobble gobble's boring. Unless you drench it in gravy, and by then you've already passed out a little bit from the enzyme or the chemical that it has in it. Tryptophan. Tryptophan. Now you're going to spread it all over your buns. You know what I mean?
Yeah, boy.
Cover your biscuits. It should look like this now. See? Not gonna sleep tonight. Blueberry pie filling. Oh, baby. Pour in your blueberry molasses. Good girl. There we go. Now spread your blueberry filling, honey. Now your concoction should look like this. Bobby's Blueberry Bake. The really easy part, perfectly moist lemon cake. I know all of you hate this word, all of you. Come on, she's gonna be real pretty. Now just spread her around. It's very important, you do not mix. Cut your little butters. You're gonna take it and spread it out. Woo! This is the holidays and we don't count calories. If you wanna count calories, go to someone else's kitchen. You heard? In your oven, 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, but check it at 35. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Does she have to be unlocked? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set a timer.
Did it work?
No, I don't know. What's this girl?
Oh, it's listening to you.
40 minutes. Oh, it worked. It worked. So while we wait for the Bobby's Blueberry Bake to bake, now we're gonna make our Cranberry Margarita. You know what I mean? The real stuff, the libation, the wet your whistle so that you don't listen to your family members. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Take your glass of choice, darling. Dip it into your little agave. We're gonna do a nice little white sugar rim. And then if for some reason it starts to drip down, it's fine because it reminds you of the snow. Tequila of choice, I'm using my best friend, Kylie Jenner.
Wait a minute.
It's Kendall.
Whoops.
She's not really my best friend. Tequila, we're gonna do 2 ounces, half an ounce of your Cointreau. This is how I made it a little different than last year because I just did cranberry juice, but I found sparkling cranberry at the grocery store. Let me tell you. Pour that over, take your lime. Who says I couldn't make the team? Roll it so you make it juicy. You want your limes very wet and juicy. Cut it, now spray. Cranberries up top. The ones that don't like straws. And get that agave sugar rim. Okay, our timer just went off. It's time to take out our blueberry bake. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Hot! Listen, we got the density of the biscuit, the sweetness of that yellow moist cake, the blueberries, the butter, very buttery biscuits. This is the easiest. It tastes so good. It has a little crisp on top. Look at that, look at that little crumble. Easy breezy lemon squeezy, like some of y'all in college. You know what I mean? Listen, happy holidays. This will make it better. Some family member screaming in your ear that you haven't seen in about 10 years, just one bite at a time, baby. Drown them out. If you make this, obviously tag me, send it to me. I always like to see it. I mean, some of y'all been making those cocktails. If you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring that bell. notifications. And as always, we'll see you here next week. Same place, same time, same rhyme, same behind, baby. You know what I mean? Anyways, happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving. Love you mucho. Bye.